don't rule out this can also be this acceleration on the downside. Is a natural resistance. So you shouldn't go back. This shouldn't turn back red. Don't forget. If it is going up, this should not turn back red. This must hold out here. So bring it up to 40.5. Let's zoom out. Alright, we are just essentially trying to clear this. Doesn't mean it must clear. Don't forget, it can be like that, and then you start to come here. But because this side is tested, so the good chance is that the market will try to trade back this 10 pip run. In other words, it should have stuck here, but New York came in, this happened first, and once it can cross back here, then it's a good indication. If not, then this is your lower high, and you will see a quick drop to here. Right? That one is not what we are looking at for now. We're just looking at whether the market can cross here. Yes, 1, yes, 2, and this is holding up. Bearish people will try to sell it. Bullish people will try to hold up above 30. The fact that it's holding above 30 is a good sign for bullish move. You can sometimes form a pattern first. It's possible. Okay. Let's zoom in 10 seconds. So you know 1, you have 2. This is stopping at the right place, and let's see whether this is 3. You have a line to guide you. So this is for now, it's a continuation pattern, which is also stopping at a lower high. The ideal place to make a lower high. So you must understand your risk factor. Okay. Now your flag. Okay. As long as you know what you're trading is good, because 30 is holding. Market like this favors a scalper, and then spot trader, if you go for 3 pip, 4 pip, you can, 5 pip, you can. Position traders usually will have to either sit it out or hold it out, the kind of market. So you find that 70% of your trade today should be all scalping trade. So the market is wider now. It's traded down to 22 and it went up to 36. So 14 pip. $30 is red. 30 is red. Yep. So let's see whether this can turn back to blue if the moment it crossed 32. Break down this line. If not, then you see a double bottom probably. To break down 20 needs a lot of orders to do it, I think. So 30 will turn back blue first. So potentially, if this goes above 32, then you have this and maybe that channel. But you have very strong resistance at 36. So the first part of New York is like that. It's no big deal. Still ranging. Trying to break the 32. Two things can happen here. Either the market buys, because it's the second and the third leg up, holds here, then you will try to break the 37 this time. Because there is a tradable channel. And it's still in this deceleration. Market found key support at the right place, 27. So we had a higher low. Are we getting a higher high this time? That's the question. Because this is a significant resistance. If we can go back above here, then yes, you will try and then consolidate and then try. Okay, that is what most position traders are waiting for, because there's a high low. And let's draw this line first and see. It's a blue dotted line. Okay. Okay, and then do a parallel and see whether we can get to a higher high, closer to 42. Yep. If it does, then the market sentiment will begin to try and trade the crossover of 42 later. Okay. So you have some acceleration. Everybody is hoping to break this one. Don't forget, just now couldn't break the 36. So now all hoping. The whole world are doing the same thing. Once it doesn't work, everybody will get out like this, and then it will go down again. Okay. But everybody's trying. It's very important to keep on trying and trade, because you can always reduce your size. If trading range is difficult, then trade small size. Huh? Yeah, learn to get out, learn your position. Okay, louder, can't hear. Because if you don't learn how to trade, you'll never learn how to trade this kind of market condition. So it's trying the 36. So the support came in at 32. Okay. And now you have an acceleration channel. Let's see whether you can go there. Good. This is couples market, 1.4. 1.4. 6.